A day ahead of the contentious US election outcome, our markets managed to end comfortably in the green with a gain coming in across the board, and that was riding on the back of pretty healthy cues coming in from across the globe. So we wound up the trading day higher by 144 points on the Nifty at 11,813. For the Sensex as well, we held out throughout the trading day and wrapped up 500 points higher at 40,261. While the mid-cap index did manage to see quite a bit of fervor, the small-cap index didn't quite oblige, and by the time we wrapped up, you did see it come off from the top of the day. The Nifty Bank continued to remain a solid outperformer in trade today, and you also had support coming in from the likes of auto, metals, pharma, PSU banks that did manage to gain traction. On the flip side though, real estate lost out, energy as well as media, they were in the red. Let's take it then straight to the top Nifty gainers in trade today. ICICI Bank in the green, Hindalco, SBI, HDFC, Power Grid, Sun Pharma as well as Eicher Motors along with IndusInd Bank and HDFC Bank held out quite well. On the flip side, UPL 6% off on that stock. NTPC was in the red, and RIL, after suffering a major rout yesterday, continued in the red today. 1850 is where it's wrapped up. HUL, Tech Mahindra as well as Britannia, some of the other losers in trade today. A whole host of numbers as well that came out. You had Sun Pharma, and it was a very extraordinary beat that you saw on the EBITDA front. On the profit front as well, there was all quite healthy, and the stock duly rallied. Godrej Properties came out with earnings, revenues at about 1404 crore rupees, and that was very encouraging. That was Deepak Fertilizers with an encouraging set of numbers. Godrej Properties was rather disappointing, profits dwindling to just about 7 crores versus 32 crore rupees. Varun Beverages, another result candidate, PAT at about 161 crore rupees, revenues at 1839 crores. You had Muthoot Finance, which came out with its numbers, NII growth, PAT, both continue to remain rather healthy, and as I said, Deepak Fertilizers, quite a decent set of numbers. Dabur as well came out with its numbers, a 482 crore rupee PAT, and that certainly surpassed the ET Now expectations. You had revenue growth as well, that was quite steady. JSW Steel, another earnings candidate, a 356 crore rupee PAT, and you had something like Kansai Nerolac as well that came out with its numbers. Within the broader universe, and just identifying some of the interesting movers in today's trading session, Sundaram Finance rallied, Jamna Auto, Kaveri Seeds, Cadila, Imami, Prism Cement, Hindalco, Spark, all of them had a fairly decent run-up. While on the flip side, Godrej Properties lost out, Edelweiss in the red, NTPC, Loris Labs, IRB Infrastructure, Adani Green, those were some of the losers. Come tomorrow, all eyes are going to be on the US elections, and we've got a slew of experts joining in to decode the big event.